So here's what we're looking at. This is the battery pack for the Toshiba T1000 laptop. Now, this battery is from 1988, so yeah, it is probably dead as a doornail. It is a standard nickel-cadmium battery pack. And looks like it consists of 4 cells. Actually, this is just a common 4-pin JSDPH connector here. Alright, let me check the voltage real quick. Ideally, it should read 4.8 volts. Oh wow, this one is definitely not good. Let's go ahead and take it apart just to see how the cells are connected. I mean, since each cell is 1.2 volts and the pack is 4.8, the cells should be connected in series. But hey, let's see it anyway just to be safe. Yeah, the cells have leaked pretty badly. That's a mess. You really don't want to leave these sitting inside the laptop. That alkaline leakage is corrosive and will start eating through the copper traces on the motherboard before you know it. If it reaches the logic board, it can turn a simple battery swap into a nightmare of trace repairs. And there we go, confirmed. We have 4 cells connected in series as expected. I'm going to clean this mess up and then get a battery pack replacement. Alright, today is another day and I finally got this in the mail. A brand new nickel-cadmium battery pack. By the way, check the description for the link to this item if you need one. The only problem here is that the connector is not the same as the original. No big deal, I have this one here that I can swap in and use instead. I just need to make sure the lead is not too short or excessively long. Actually, this is going to be a perfect replacement. Luckily, we still can buy new ones in 2026. And presto, here we have it. 4.9 volts, perfect. Just what is needed to power up the T1000. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, maybe give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.